What's up, guys, and welcome back to another edition of Go for Lunch Rocketry. Today's date is February 2nd, 2024, and I know you guys know what's coming up. You see the box with the label warning, fun inside. You know it's another unboxing video from Steve down at Launch Lab Rocketry. Big shout out to him. But without further ado, man, we need to go ahead and get in this box. It's Christmas in February. Now, for all you guys that's just tuning in, I know we're a new channel. Hey, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. You know, that helps me stay motivated to put out new content. And while we opening this box up, I also want to say I'm a member of the local chapter here in Dallas. DARS, that's Dallas Area Rocketry Society. Now, if I open one of these boxes and receive a kit that I already have, I will be donating the rocket to, you know, a kid that's a part of the Dallas Area Rocketry Society. You know, you always want to keep exposure to rocketry. You know, for a minute I thought it was fading away, but hey, it's still going strong. So let's remove the plastic and paperwork out the way, and let's see what we got. Boom. If you enjoy this as much as we do, please make sure you share it. YouTube, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and tag Launch Lab Rocketry. Make sure you guys go out and do that. Let's get the invoice out the way. I'm gonna move the box to the side because it's gotta be a surprise. So let's move this. Boom. Let's see what we pull out first. Ooh, this oldie. Estes Mosquito. Guys, I don't know if you can see this. What's wrong with my camera? Look at the price tag. 99 cents. Oh yeah. Instant lift off. Now I have the newer model Mosquito. I probably can run down real quick and show you guys that. Let me pause the video right here. I'll go grab it. All right, guys, I'm back. Now I was showing this mini brute mosquito. As you see on the artwork, same size as the Estes mosquito that you can currently buy right now on Estes.com. You see, according to my index finger, it's about the size of, I say, about 3 inches tall. And let's see, yeah, length 3.9 inches, body diameter 13.73 millimeters. Recommended engines, you have a quarter A3-2T all the way up to A3-6T. That's the mini brute mosquito by Estes. All right, next up, let's see. And I like these older kits. We have another Estes kit. Mini Honest John. Okay. Now this will be one that I'm donating. I have the Mini Honest John in my fleet already. So some lucky kid out there, hey, you got an Honest John coming your way. This right here is 11.75 inches tall. And let's see, weighs 1.2 ounces, 0.98 inches in diameter. It goes up to 325 feet. Love it, love it. Let's set this to the side. Next up, what do we have here? Hey, we got some Rocket Bucks. Free $5 off one order in February. Please use the promo code. Nice. Appreciate that, Steve. See some candy. Oh, the wife gonna love this. Reese's peanut butter cups. 2 of them. And we got our Launch Lab Rocketry sticker. Next kit is, ooh, Nike Arrow. Scale, sound, light rocket. Easy to build, no pain. Streaks over 300 feet. 17 inches in diameter. This runs on a A10 3T first flight. Then let's see, A3-4T. Nike Arrow. I do not have this one. Alright, set that to the side. Let's keep it rolling. Next up in the kit, let's see, we have the Yankee. It's a skill level 1. Flies up to 523 meters or 1,700 feet. Let's see, it's 11 inches tall, 18.7 millimeters in diameter. Let's see, okay. And you can see the engines right there that it runs off the recommended engines by Estes. Oh yeah, this box loaded. Let's get this plastic out the way. Still have one more item. Oh, and a Hershey's Kisses. Let's get the box out the way. Anybody want to take a guess on what that is? Anybody? Leave it in comments down below. Anybody? I knew what it was. Nose cone kit. Fits BT-50 and BT-55 rocket body tubes. It's a nice assortment. Can't go wrong with these. These always come in handy. This looks like the nose cone to the Blackbird, if I'm not mistaken. No, yeah. It looks like it, almost. It's real close. So let me line all these up. We got the Yankee. Oh, I want to grab the Honest John for you guys. 1 second. Alright, so like I said, let's line these up. We got the nose cone kit from Estes. We got the Yankee. The Brute Mosquito, which is pretty much this right here. We got the Mini Honest John. And here's one out of my fleet that's already built. So we'll sit that right there so you guys can get an idea of the size. And then we have the Nike Arrow. So it's a nice little setup for this month's Launch Lab Rocketry mystery box. Make sure you go by, check Steve and them out. Hey, if you want to get this mystery box, he has a subscription available, and also tons and tons of goodies. You can spend hours on that site. But man, thank you guys for tuning in. Like I say, hit that subscribe button, that like button, comment down below, and I will definitely respond back to all your comments, and I appreciate it. You guys have a good one, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace.